Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Royalty Squad. This is the Weightloss coming back to you with this awesome weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose up to 25 pounds in 30 days with this wonderful belly fat burning drink. Now, this drink is going to kickstart your metabolism. It's going to burn more calories. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It's going to prevent inflammation. It enhances your liver activity. And you drink this twice a day, in the morning and then again before bed. That's it. In the morning on an empty stomach and again before bedtime. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. Now in this recipe, we're going to be using a bowl as well as a grater. In this recipe, I'm going to be using 3 inches of ginger root as well as a half of lemon or lime. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of filtered water into my pot to boil. Make sure your flame is on a medium to low heat. Now for that boosting power, I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. And then to sweeten, I'm going to show you some honey, but later on I'm going to also show you some stevia. Now to prepare the ginger, I'm going to de-skin it. Next, we're going to take the ginger root and grate it. So if you have a grater, that's wonderful. If you want to skip this process and just put it in a processor, that's fine too. After mincing your ginger, now add it to your pot. Next, we're going to take the half of lime or lemon and we're going to cut it into smaller slices. Turn your stove on a low to medium flame and we're going to boil this for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now our tea is ready. So what I'm going to do is let it cool down and steep a little while on the stove. So now you're going to need your favorite cup and also a strainer. Now I'm going to add a pinch or a dash of my cayenne pepper. This is what's going to help to heat you up and burn off that fat. Now we sweeten, but since my drink is still kind of hot, instead of the honey, I'm going to use the stevia because the honey, if it's too hot, the heat will damage the enzymes. only add in a half a teaspoon of stevia or a teaspoon of honey and mix well. And there you have it, you guys, this wonderful fat burning drink that's going to heat up your body, get it stirred up, and get you going to the bathroom. And mix well. This is what's going to slim you down and melt the fat cells in your body. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And check down below for the links for these wonderful straws as well as other items. And you guys, my eBay store is finally open, so you will be able to purchase things like the black seed oil, the sour sop, and more, as well as shoes, clothes, new, slightly worn. I have it all down there, all for the right budget. Okay. And new items will be uploaded daily, so keep checking for different things daily. And lastly, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. So again, you guys, thank you for joining me, and don't forget to stay tuned for more of these wonderful detox teas that I got coming your way. Alright? And until the next time, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.